Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the future of ophthalmology. Stem cells restore vision. Injuries or diseases of the cornea can lead to devastating vision loss. But now, there's a revolutionary solution. Researchers have developed a groundbreaking method to address such vision impairments by transplanting cultivated corneas derived from the stem cells of the affected patient. This procedure is termed cultivated autologous limbal epithelial cell transplantation, or simply CALEC. During this process, stem cells are extracted from the healthy eye of the patient and cultured in a laboratory. Just a few weeks later, the CALEC implant is ready for transplantation. Not only does it improve vision, but it can also stimulate new cell growth. A recent study involving 5 patients showed remarkable results. 2 patients reported significant improvements, and 2 more qualified for a traditional cornea transplantation. Unfortunately, 1 patient could not undergo the CALEC transplantation due to a failure in the stem cell cultivation. However, these promising results may bring hope to many people with impaired vision in the future. Ula Yerkunas. Our initial results suggest that CALEC might offer hope for patients who previously had no treatment options. We are optimistic that CALEC can fill this urgently needed treatment gap. As these studies continue, we might be on the verge of a revolutionary treatment option for eye injuries. The future of ophthalmology looks brighter than ever before. What do you think about that? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and exciting topics.